Hi guys, 10:59 PM na. Iwaw Feng Shui na. Brethren, family, and friends, sa pong pinagpalang gabi sa inyong lahat. Ang inyong pong lingkod, Brother Norman Cruz, ang inyong pong Feng Shui, Pachi, Chimen, Yijing, and Date Selection Consultants. Kumusta po kayo? Yes, how was your Sunday? Kumusta po ang donation? Na dapat po ay ginawa natin pong lahat earlier po to complete the 5 steps sa ating pray, wish, manifest. Yun po, kailangan ng 5 steps. At yung panglima, you should have done it earlier sa place of worship niyo po sa church. So BFF, tomorrow, panibagong laban, Lunes, opo, first day of the week. And we want to make sure that we make it with flying colors po, di po ba? We do the best out of, or the expectation po, ma-tailor fit po natin yung mga, yung pong mga pwedeng gawin, and then yung expectation po for tomorrow. Let's do it, BFF! Ito na po. BFF, tomorrow, August 11, Monday, it's called the Water Rat Enters the Stable Officer Day. Stable. Okay, ito ang daming pwedeng gawin, BFF, ang gaganda. Assuming a new post, commencing new business, mangolekta ng utang, disengage or dissolve an arrangement, financial activities, investment, groundbreaking, getting married, meeting friends, networking, moving into a new house, prayers and worshiping, putting up roof beams, renovations, signing contracts and agreements, traveling, and trading, all good for tomorrow. Ano po hindi advisable? Seeking medical treatment. And constructing drains, not good for tomorrow, BFF. Best for the ox and the rat, bad for the tiger, bad for the rabbit, best for the dragon, average for the snake, bad for the horse, bad for the goat, best for the monkey, average for the rooster, bad for the dog, and average for the pig. Ayan. So BFF, tomorrow, just in case talaga hindi na mapigilan, you will be constructing drains or you will have your medical check-up, any medical procedures tomorrow, you know what to do. Di po ba? Daily achievement mo yan. Ito po, bagong compute po natin, BFF, earlier. Ganun pong kabilis. BFF, August 11, sabi dito, if you want to improve your health, attract helpful people, improve on your resources, have that inspiration, talikod sa southeast. Anything to do with finances, talikod sa south. Itong ganda, BFF, itong game changer. May green dragon ka na, may flying bird ka pa, may absolute power, absolute support, and the structure to conquer it all. Wow. Ang ganda, BFF, no? All backing to Southwest. Ito pa lang, BFF. Wow, ito na yon. Bihira to. If you want to 10x being beautiful and handsome, that is backing to Northwest. Wow, to BFF, I'll be using this. No doubt about it, as early as ngayon, 11:01. Di ba BFF? 11:01. Pwede po, backing to Southwest. May flying bird, may green dragon, absolute power, absolute support, and conqueror structures. And then you have the most powerful energy of the universe, which is the chief. And then, pwede ka pang humingi din ng dagdag tapang, dagdag courage. Eto na yung back into Southwest BFF. Whole day hanggang 10:59 tomorrow. Wow. Ano yung BFF? I made mention that JY offered the Feng Shui course and there's the part 5 or called the BIP. So, kanina po, I meticulously again, studied it, no po, nireplay po natin. And, you know po, there was a discussion of the Swang Kong Indestructible Triangle. Wow! Ako po, early on, ang gamit ko po noon was quite different. But still, it is part of the usage. But I'm so excited po, BFF, that Dato Joey mentioned that even times are getting challenging. Di po ba, BFF, para pong there are times that as we go along, pahirap po ang taon. Di po ba? Ang daging sinasabi, yung dati yung piso ko, nakakabili ngayon, wala na, so and so and so forth. So the reality of life, it's not getting better, di po ba? The environmental features are changing, And Dato Joey mentioned that the thing that we should do is to bulletproof po our home. Especially now, it's period 9. Period 9 na po. And that will go on for 20 years. And 2044, February 4, it will be period 1. So ngayon po, ang mga binabantayan po naming numbers are the numbers 9, 1, 2, and 4. Oh, teka Kuya Norman, 2. Di ba sickness yan? Yes. Sickness star siya when period 8 and 7. But now, it's different. It's more of getting the property, getting what you want. So, the number 2 is now a auspicious star. And then there's also one that for the longest time, for 21 years of feng shui, being a feng shui consultant, having a fire at the northwest is the most destructible, most unwelcome element in the northwest. It's called the fire at the heaven's gate. Na po, fire at the heaven's gate. So you're burning. So bawal po yun. It affects the male. It affects po the breadwinner, the male breadwinner of the house po. Putting a fire element sa northwest. But Dato explained po with the indestructible Swan Kong triangle. Wow, you can future proof. Yes, BFF. You can future proof your feng shui. So BFF, next time we meet, we will apply po the indestructible triangle po in your home, and that's health, wealth, happiness. We make sure it will remain to you for the longest time. Wow, ano po? Sarap po. Sabi nga po, minsan, it's good to, to stay for a while and, wag kagad i-dismiss na basic yan. Yung po yung dati pa, hindi po eh. Sometimes, opportunity or the knowledge, it presents itself sa iyo. Okay? So, BFF, I know most of you are sleeping, preparing for tomorrow, Monday. Again, let us continuously pray for each other. BFF, we don't know if our BFF is not feeling well, sick, lonely, depressed, financially troubled, di po ba? May problema sa relationship. Let's pray for them. Let's also pray for world peace. Let us heal as one. Let us be a blessing to others. God bless all with a grateful heart. Maraming pong salamat sa inyo lahat. God bless, good night, and BFF, Southwest Backen. Don't you forget, may Green Dragon ka na, may Flying Bird ka pa. Happy Monday, BFF, and more blessings. Thank you!